Hey, so whether you want directions, discover nearby places, avoid traffic, or plan trips, yeah, Google Maps is one of the most powerful navigation tools available today. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Maps step by step in 2026. First, open Google Maps on your phone, tablet, or computer and sign into your Google account. Use the search bar to find addresses, cities, restaurants, landmarks, or businesses. You can zoom in, zoom out, rotate the map, and switch between map or satellite view. Tap directions and enter your starting point or allow Google Maps to use your current location. Select driving, walking, cycling, rideshare, or public transportation options. Press Start to begin live navigation with turn-by-turn voice guidance. Google Maps shows live traffic conditions, accidents, delays, and faster alternate routes. You can search for nearby restaurants, gas stations, pharmacies, hotels, and more. Save favorite places like home or work and share locations with friends and family. Download offline maps so you can navigate even without an internet connection. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Maps for navigation, travel planning, and discovering places in 2026.